Carlos, my name is Desiree. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers into your business and grow your revenue. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself why I would be spending my time doing this and what's in it for me. Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is often in the world of the internet, most local businesses are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation in hiring someone is they don't know who an expert is and who isn't an expert. I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do on their own to impact their business and generate revenue, it results in some easy ways that the local business can either do it themselves, or some people actually end up raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Desiree. Please, can you do this for me? So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you just want to take what I've shown you and implement them yourself and you want a free attack plan on ways you can do that, let me know and I'm happy to do that for you as well. That works for me. So now let me show you the 3 things that you can do to set your company up for success above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So number 1 is content. I have your website pulled up here, as you can see. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your website to be optimized with Google. I can show you how many words you guys already have. This is a free tool called SEO Quake that you guys can use on your own. You guys are ranking with only 194 words right now. So your competitors, I've pulled up your top 2. The first competitor, who's actually ranking number 1 in Google right now, has 961 words on their homepage. And your other competitor has 1,782 words. So these are your top 2 competitors. And you can see that they have way more words. And the reason that they are ranking is because their content is keyword rich. So every month people are searching for these keywords here in Google. They're looking for retractable awnings in a volume of 41,000. Awnings near me, 9,500. Sunshades, 9,400. Awning company near me, 4,400. Awning installation, 1,800. Sunshade canopy, 1,300. And then these other keywords, 20 searches or less. So those keywords need to be dense in your search. You're not very optimized right now for people who are searching and you're missing out on all of those clients. So your client or your competitors are ranking right now. They're getting 11 repeat searches for shade, 10 repeat searches for company. Awnings, they're getting 9 repeat searches. Side title, 7. Your other competitor getting much more volume to their site, Sun for 24. They're getting retractable, 19 searches. They're getting 12 searches for solar screens. And your site's not getting the same volume of searches. You're getting a little bit of volume for awning, some volume for Arizona, but when people are just searching Arizona, they're getting a high volume of other non-related searches as well. So you're getting a low volume of searches and you're missing out on a lot of valuable clients. So when we look in a generalized Google search, you can see the Outside Shade Company, they're hitting that number 1 spot. They're fully optimized in Google, and that number 2 spot is also that same company. Superior Sun Solutions, AZ Sunblock, they're getting that 4th spot after Yelp. So you generally see your ads first. Right now we're not seeing a lot of ads, so a lot of people here in your area are not paying for a lot of ads in the sunshade area. You've got All Pro paying for some ads. but generally a lot of people are not paying for those top spots. You see a AAA Sound Control sponsored, they're paying for a little bit of ads, but they're still being beat out by your competitors. So that is one way to beat out the competitors, is pay for ads. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't effective. You can see they're not as effective in this area. So now you're asking, hey, how do I rank up in maps? Because the maps are showing above the searches. The Outside Shade Company has that #1 spot. Chandler Screen and Awning, the #2 spot, and Arizona Sunshades has that #3 spot. You really want to be in the top 3. Those are the only ones that show in the main area. So you need citations for that. Citations are being listed with local business directories. Google My Business is a business directory, Yellow Pages, places like that. You can use a couple different programs. You can use White Spark. It costs about $30 to $70 per month. You can use SEMrush, costs a couple $100 per month. So I ran you guys through SEMrush here. There are 79 available listings for sunshades. You have a couple listings. You don't have a very good presence. You're being fully optimized in 2. And you have wrong addresses in Facebook, Hot Frog, IBM, and even in Yelp, your address is not listed correctly. So to fully optimize, you want to make sure you go back into the ones that you've already listed your business with. Make sure everything is an identical match to your Google My Business search. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories so that Google can optimize that. Even on Facebook, you can submit a citation. And you want to be comparable, obviously, to your competition. Now, your competition has many more citations listed. Some of them have all 79, so you want to be making sure that you're getting those listings. Now, backlinks is another area that you definitely want to get listed in. So this is a software called Ahrefs. It costs about $300 per month. When you run your website through Ahrefs, we're going to look at the backlinks. This is something we kind of refer to as link juice. It's not #1. Now, this is where you want to beat out your competitors in every aspect. So simply put, link juice works like this. So like site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, it's like acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest, but there is more to it than that. The link juice that you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have a relative link looking back at you. So for example, since you're working with sunshades and awnings, sun coverings, you don't want to be listed on like a Pizza Hut site since you're not out there selling pizzas for a living. So in SEO Quake again, you can see each website. These are your top 3 competitors. And if you pull up SEO Quake here, it's going to show you guys have a total of 8 backlinks. You've got 4 that are actively referring back to you, whereas the Outside Shade Company has 31 backlinks. This website, Superior Sun Solutions, they have over 1,000 backlinks. And All Pro Sunshade, they have 840 total backlinks. So this is an area where you definitely want to step up your game. You want to outrank your highest competitors by at least 200 to 300 links. So you're not just outranking them, but dominating them and getting that #1 spot. So once again, we went over your content. You guys are going to want at least 1,500 words, and in those words, you want to make sure that they have content-rich keywords. You want to have at least 200 to 300 citations more than your highest competitors so that you're dominating them by a landslide. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority in sunshades. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you with today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you do want the most effective route and want to save time yourself, since I know you're so busy working on your business, you can give me a call. My number is 602-560-5428. My name again is Desiree, and my number is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.